Hi, welcome back once again. This is video number 2 of learning Python programming. In this video, we will see introduction about Python programming language. Okay, so let's get started. Python is powerful general purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python is implemented using CPython. CPython is a language written in C programming. Also, Python is a good programming language for beginners because it is easy to read and learn. Writing programs in Python takes less time than in some other languages. There are no type declaration of variables, parameters, functions, or methods in source code. This makes the code short and flexible, and you save the compile time, type checking of source code. Python tracks the types of values at runtimes and flags code that doesn't make sense as it runs. Now let's see some of the important features of Python programming. The first one, interpreted language. Python is interpreted language. Interpreted language do not need to be compiled to run. This means that a programmer can change the code and quickly see the results. Python is slower than a compiled language like C because it is not running machine code directly. And second one, high level language. Python is a high level language, which means a programmer can focus on what to do instead of how to do it. And third one is object oriented programming like C++, Java and others object oriented programming. Python also support object oriented programming paradigm, that is based on the concept of object which may contains data in the form of fields, often known as attributes, and codes in the form of procedures, often known as methods. And the fourth one, multi-paradigm programming language. Python supports more than one programming paradigm to allow programmer to use the most suitable programming styles and associated language. And associated language construct for a given job like declarative programming, distributed programming, functional programming, etc. These are the programming paradigm. And the fifth one, this is the most important and best thing in Python. Python provides a rich set of modules and functions for rapid application development. Like these are some example. SciPy. SciPy used for scientific computing and technical computing. SciPy contains modules for optimizations, linear algebra, integrations, interpolations, spaces function, etc. And the second one, NumPy. NumPy is also a modules which provide the basic numeric routines and numeric calculations. There are lots of libraries in supported by Python. So we will see in later videos. And the sixth one, GUI Programming Support. Graphical user interface can be developed using Python. Like there are lots of modules in Python like take-enter, jpython, qty, etc. There are lots of modules. By using that, you can develop your GUI in Python programming. The seventh one, cross-platform language. Python can run equally on different platforms such as Windows, Linux, Unix, and Macintosh, etc. So, we can say that Python is a portable language. These are the some most important points about Python language. Python mostly emphasizes on code readability and a syntax that allow programmers to express concept in fewer lines of code with using significant white spaces. It enables clear programming on both small and large scales. Large websites like YouTube, Google, Dropbox, Yahoo Maps are using Python. That's for today. So these are overview to be familiar with Python, and the topics we are discussed in today's video are introduction about Python programming and features of Python. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's see you in the next video too. Thanks for watching.